Good. Boss Mike. Boss. Low. Points. Boy. Ayak ng bola, tumira. Wala. B-boy. Pasa pa na yun! Paano na Kenzo. Tumira. Wala. Boss Mike. Boss Mike. 2 points. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Boss Mike. Nawala. Mike. Pasok. Bravo naman si B-boy. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. B-boy. What? Kaya Mike eh. Boss Mike, dumiretso. 2 points. Sumiko. Pastoren. 3 points. 1 point for 3. Wala. Kenzo. Are. Kenzo ulit. Oy! Grabe naman yun. Boss Mike. Nagtakas. Yes. Sa bilang. Kenzo. Pinasa. Ay Nico. Brothers. Boss Mike. Atake. Basic. Kenzo. Atake rin. 2 points. Last 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Kenzo. Nico. Wala. Ay. Poy. Pas. Wala. Kenzo. Tumira. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. 10. 2 points by Boss Mike. Poy. Di nilabas. Nalabas na muna. 5, 4. Itaka. Tapos. Nico. Nag-drive. Oy. Nawala ni B-boy. Sa kanya pa rin. Oy. Fall down. Boss Mike. Kaya na bola. Kaya ba tayo ni Boss Oras. Good. Shot lang. Kayo na. Five minutes in the Kenzo. Dali kay Kenzo ulit. 2 points. 2 points na. Point. Baba. Rebound. Pasok yan. Nag-drive. Ball. Boss, diskarte. Kinukas niya yan. Ginulangan. Patay. Kenzo. Oy, foul daw. Foul na. Two attempts. 30. May oras pa doon. Time out, time. Deep ball. Kenzo. Jump shot. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Kenzo for 3. No good. Poy Poy. Poy Poy. Ano kayong gagawin ni Poy Poy? Last 10 seconds. Shot clock. 5. Poy Poy, 2 points. Kenzo for 3. No good. Rebound by Boss Mike. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Boss Mike, makagawan ba? Gawat. Kenzo. Kenzo. Pass to Elmer. Kenzo ulit. Take. Drive. 5 second shot clock. Huli. By Poy. Poy Poy. For 3. No good. Rebound by Kenzo. 3 minutes exactly. Grabe ka nun. Rebound by Kenzo. Kenzo ulit. 2 points. Poy Poy. Poy Poy. Atake ba? Tumira na 3. No good. Nirebound by Elmer. Nico. Pass to Kenzo. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Nico. Ball break. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Boss Mike. Boss Mike. Atake ba? Ball break. No good. Rebound by Nico. Pasa pala yun. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Poy Poy. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 9. Okay. 2 points. Uy! Tumunod. Boss Mike. Easy lang daw. Sabi ni Boss Mike. Kaso tumira. Patay. Ball break. Kelmer. Grabing pasa yun. But no good. Official score 25-33. Favor of Bulldozer. 5-4. Rebound by Elmer. Okay. Loaded sila dyan, tumira. No good. Rebound by Poy Poy. Ay. Pasa pala yun. 1-20. Pinasa kay B-Boy. Uy! 360 pass. Kenzo. Pass to Nico. Kelmer, 2 points.
Pasok, pasok!
1 minute and 5 seconds. Poy Poy, tumira na 3. No good pa rin. Kenzo. Pass to Kelmer. Tira na 3. 3 points. Last 15.
Hoy, hoy!
Nag-iisip. Ayun na. Wakda.
Hoy!
2 points. Kenzo. Rebound by Poy Poy. 3 points by Poy Poy. 10 seconds. Kenzo. 20 seconds. Kenzo for 3. Rebound by Poy Poy. Boss Mike. Seconds. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. End of the first quarter. 30-38. Bulldozer. Si Helmer. Wait. Ito din. Tumira ng 3. No good. Poy Poy. Nag-drive. Uy! No-look pass kaso di nakita.
Tignan mo, boy.
Si Helmer. Screen. Uy! Ganda ng pasa na yun. Pick and roll. Boss Mike. Timing. B-boy. No good. Ibon by Ashton. Helmer. Oh, 4-3. Hawak. No good. Ibon by
Pasok, Per.
Poy Poy. No good. Helmer. Pass to Miko. Helmer. 4-3. No good. Ibon by Miko. And 40 seconds. Drive by Gamay. 2 points. Kelmer. Uy, tumira. No good. Rebound by Ashton. Follow by Ashton. 2 points. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Point. Masok din. Ashton. Counter. And 1. 8 minutes, 15 seconds. 8 minutes and 17 seconds.
Boy, lang ka, boy.
$38-43 favored of Bulldozer. Last attempt. Good. Boss Mike. 3 point. No good. Pagbaga Elmer. Elmer for 3. No good. 3 point. 7 minutes and 40